Hey y'all, this is Star with Sparkle Designs by Star. I just wanted to hop on here and share with you a quick earring tutorial using the Jesse James Design Ambassador Kit for the month of November. I'm going to be using the Dress It Up Holiday Collection in Jack Frost, and I will leave a link down below to this right here. Also to the Jesse James Design Ambassador program down below. I'll also leave a link to their website. And you will be able to find these on the Dress It Up website. But anyway, I wanted to share a quick earring tutorial with you. I'm going to be making me and both of my daughters a set of earrings for Christmas to wear on Christmas morning. So I'm going to use the red one. I'm also going to use the green ones, the green little light bulbs, and I guess the blue. Well, no, I guess I'm going to do the purple. And I'm going to be using some crystals from my stash. I'm also going to be using these right here from the November bargain bead box. Whoops, it's the little red garnet and the green crystal. I'm going to use that. And hang on and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Like I said, I'm going to be using the red ones. And I already have a red one started, just like this. And we're just going to add an ear wire to it. This is what the red one's going to look like. And then the blue one and the purple one, I decided to use blue and purple instead of the green. I haven't made those yet, but we'll do those together. So, okay, you're going to need some eye pins. Gonna need some eye pins. I have 4 in silver and I have 1 in the gunmetal because I already did this one in gunmetal. But these we're gonna do in the silver. You will need your flat nose pliers. You're gonna need round nose pliers of your choice. You can use like small ones or you can use the actual round nose pliers. And you're going to need some cutters, some flush cutters we have right here. And I think that is all we're going to use today. Okay, we're going to, oh, and you're going to need some ear wires. And if you do not have any, like I don't have a gunmetal one, I don't think, hang on, oh, I do, so we'll use gunmetal. Okay, and we're going to use these for the ear wires for the red. And then we will also use silver ear wires when I dig them out. And then we're going to use silver for the other 2 pairs. Okay, to get started, here's our red pair. We're going to go ahead and add our ear wire onto this one. So we just open it up. And remember to open it out this way. Don't tilt it this way, because you can damage the wire and then it might break. So we don't want to do that. And then we're just going to fold it down and there's one earring, just like that. And I'm sorry about my nails, y'all. I had on fake nails and they started popping off and I just took them the rest of the way off because I can't stand it. Okay, let's move this stuff out of the way. On our gunmetal eye pins. Let's see if I did this one. Well, no. Okay, I'm just going to open it up. These are real simple and easy. I just wanted something real quick and easy and that wasn't going to take all day. And then just hook on our charm. And I loved these little light bulbs for earrings because they're quick and easy. And Christmas is coming and we just needed something that we could wear Christmas morning. So And then I'm also going to use this bead right here from the November bargain bead box, like I said. And then this little garnet crystal from the bargain bead box. Just like that. And we're going to hold our beads down, and you can fold it at a 90-degree angle, just like that. And now we're going to cut it off and make our loop. And we're going to use our round nose pliers. And just turn it like this until you get it back up there and close it off, just like that. Okay, now we're going to open it up. Make sure, open it up. Put our little ear wire on. And now you have one cute pair of earrings for Christmas, just like that. That's one pair. Okay, we're going to set those to the side. All right, our next pair, we're going to do the purple. And I have out these purple crystals from my stash. Here's these. I have the purple crystals from my stash. Gonna need 2 eye pins. 2 eye pins. And I brought out these little crystals right here that I had in my stash to go on top. But I'm debating on whether to use these check beads. We'll try and see. We'll see which one looks better, because I'm not sure if I want to do the check beads, or the little gray style crystals. So let's see. I need a little container to set these on so they don't go flying around. Just move the red ones up there. There's that. Okay, same thing. We're just going to take our eye pin and we're going to open it up just like this. Oops, that one did not want to do. Open it up towards you. Put on your little dress it up button in Jack Frost. Just like that. Real simple. I hope everyone's having a blessed day. I know tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so everybody will be busy with family and friends tomorrow. Okay, there's that. Now let's see what this one looks like. This little crystal. Like that one. Or do we like this one? Well, I don't know. I don't know. I think that's too much purple, so I'm thinking we're going to do this one. Let me see if I have, we're using silver, so can't use that. Let me get a couple of spacers out. I'm thinking we're going to have spacers. I like this little star right here. I'm trying to find another one. There it is. Okay, we're going to use these little stars right here between. So, let's see. We're going to put a little star on there, spacer, and there we go. Yes, I like that much better. Okay, so like before, I'm just going to fold it at a 90-degree angle, just like this. We're going to trim it off, and that's about a finger's length right there. And then we're just going to roll it up. Just going to roll it up. And I know some people like small loops. I tend to be on, it just depends on the day. Most of the time I like a little bit bigger loops on mine, but that's just personal preference. Everybody has their own preference of what style loops. I think we need to trim that and bring it on around a little, because because that's too far away from the bead. So I just trimmed it, and we're just going to wrap it on around. Like that. Okay. I'm having a little issues today. Okay, there we go. Just like before, open it up. Open it up. And I think I want different ear wires than those that I have laid out right there. So, I have all of my ear wires. Whoops, I have all of my ear wires in one container. And I have some that are my favorites that I have gotten from Bargain Bead Box, and those are the ones I'm looking for in here. And I bet I don't have any more. Nope. Okay. I don't have any more of the ones that I like. I'm going to have to order some from Bargain Bead Box. I mean, Bead Box Bargains. Because I have a certain kind that I like. You know what? Let's just modify these. Okay. I do not like this part right here on the fish hook ear wire. So what I do is I take it and I go right here beside the loop and I cut it off. Just like this. Do it again. Right beside the ear wire. I mean, right beside the loop. Just do it this way. Right beside the loop. Dump those off. I just don't like those. And then I take my round nose pliers and I bend that back just like this. Okay? And I do mine to the back. I just take it like this and bend it to the back. Just like that. Okay? And then you have a cute little ear wire instead of a ginormous fish hook. Okay? Hook it on. Whoop, I gotta close them both up. Close that one, and then close this one. And since these are, they don't have like a side to them, it just hangs like this. And there we go. Those are really cute. I was liking the red ones, but I think I'll steal the purple ones. Probably not. Anyway, we're going to do it again. Okay. And we're just gonna, and since we already made our other loop right here, we're just gonna open it up and put on our little dangle. Need to close that up a little more. There we go. So there's our second pair. Those are really pretty. And I just love the little, I love the sparkle from the crystals that I put on there for my stash. But I love the look of these right here. They do like little light bulbs. And when the light hits them, they like sparkle, shine a little bit. So I like those as well. Okay, y'all, I thought I was recording, but apparently not. So this is the blue one, and I did this one differently. I decided to change it up to make it look different so that you can get an idea of what else you can do with these Jack Frost beads besides just making a drop like this one or a drop like this one. I wanted to show you that you could alter it and make it your own by adding some different elements to make it look a little different. So, same concept. We're using the Dress It Up Jack Frost button light bulb, And I got a big bead cap from my stash, just like this. And you know, I'm going to have to flip that around. This is the front. I'm going to have to flip this one around because this one is showing, well, no. There we go. Flip it around. There we go. Okay. So this is our bead cap. And then we just add our little crystals from my stash also as well. Another bead cap. A little star bead cap. And then our other little crystal. So we have something that looks like this. So we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to bend it over. Cut it off. Make our loop. Just roll it up. And there you go. Just like that. And then we're just going to make sure it's in there okay, even. And then our little ear wire, we're just going to open it up, put our dangle on, and there you go. Did it again. We're going to have to flip that one around. Okay. So that's our blue pair. Just a little bit different. Okay. So let's do this and lay them out so you can see them. There's one pair. Here's our purple pair. And then the red pair. Okay, there they are. Aren't those beautiful? And this just shows you that what you can do with the Jesse James beads in Jack Frost from the Dress It Up collection of buttons called Jack Frost. And we just have this beautiful purple pair. I just love these beads right here. They're so Christmassy and festive. And this one, it just shows you a little different how they can look. You can alter them. And then here's the red and green, which is classic Christmas. Just so pretty. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'd love to have you as a member of my YouTube family. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know which one of these was your favorite. And I hope y'all have a blessed, fabulous day. Remember, don't let anyone dull your sparkle. And I hope y'all have a blessed, happy Thanksgiving tomorrow. See y'all later. Bye, y'all.